Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 2 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 congruence of triangle. In this question number 2, see the question. You want to show that triangle ART congruent triangle PEN. Triangle ART congruent PEN. Then three separate conditions will be given. Slowly you will come to know the separate conditions what they are given here. Now question number 1 A. If you have to use side criteria, SSS criteria, if you have to use SSS criteria, then need to show that if SSS criteria means side criteria, so what you will need? If you are using side criteria, then AR will be same as exact length of, then AR will be exact length of triangle congruency is see the A will be with P corresponding, R will be with E and T will be with N. So AR will be PE, RT will be EN and AT, see sign I have given here N2 here 1, AT will be PN 3 sides. So what I can write here, girls, now see in this condition what I will write, as the conditions are given AR is PN, A to R, P to N, PN, RT, EN, okay, and AT, PN. This only you have to write. The fill in the blanks type, one side of one triangle is given, you have to find out the corresponding sides of the another congruent triangle. Okay. Now come to the next question number B. ART and PN are the two triangles are given here. If it is given that angle T is equal to angle N, that means angle T is equal to angle N. This one is given. Then this angle T is holding by the side RT and AT. These two are the adjacent sides of this angle T, RT and AT, which will be correspondingly equal to the angle N, which are the two adjacent sides EN and PN. So if this RT will be same as EN and AT will be equal to PN, then the triangle will be congruent by SS. Okay. If it is given that angle T is equal to angle N and you are to use SAS criteria, see the criteria, SAS criterion you have to use, then you need to show that RT is equal to EN, RT is equal to EN and PN. And PN will be same equal length of 80. Okay. In question number C, again ART and PN, the same triangles are given in the same question. If it is given that AT is equal to PN, it is given that AT is equal to PN. This one is given, AT is equal to PN, and you have to use angle side angle criteria. You have to use angle side angle criteria. Then if AT is equal to PN and you know that angle side angle criteria, the side will be in between students, that means angle A should be angle P and angle T should be same as angle N. So measurement of angle A, if the measurement of angle A is same as angle P and the measurement of angle P will be same as angle N, then we can use angle side angle criteria as per the requirement of the question. So what I will write now, then we need to have angle A is equal to angle P and angle T equal to angle A. Okay students, next, now in question number 3, you have to show that triangle AMP, can you see the triangle AMP, you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent triangle AMP is congruent triangle AMQ. You have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So supply the missing reasons. Reasons are missing here, so you have to find the reason from this question. Now can you see the question properly? See, AMP congruent AMQ, supply the missing reason. Steps, it is given PM is equal to QM. PM is equal to QM. That means what will be the reason here? It is already given, so we can write it is given. PMA, this angle is same as QMA. So it is also given, already given it is, you can see by the sign, these two sides, sign of these two lines is equal to sign of these two lines, means PM is equal to QM, that means it is given. Sign of this angle is that is given the same sign here also, so these two angles also equal, that is also given. And AM is equal to AM, that means you check students, AM this side, this is a common side of the triangle, that means triangle AMP is standing on this side and triangle AMQ also standing on this side. AMQ also standing on this side, that means AM side is common in both the triangle. So you have to write here it is common. Now what will be the reason, what will be the criteria by which these two triangles you can say common? See, side, then angle, and this is a common side in both the triangle. So side angle side will be the criteria. So the criteria is side angle side criteria. Okay. Thank you students. Practice this.